Assemble the pieces, a guide to understanding and using this essential phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common but powerful phrase, assemble the pieces. This phrase is widely used in both everyday life and professional contexts. Understanding it can help you better comprehend English conversations, movies, books, and more. Let's break it down together. Assemble the pieces refers to the act of putting together the separate parts of something to form a whole. It can be used literally, like when you're putting together a puzzle or building a piece of furniture. However, it's also used metaphorically to mean collecting all the necessary information, ideas, or resources to complete a task or solve a problem. When used in a literal sense, assemble the pieces often involves physical objects. Imagine you've just bought a new bookshelf that comes in a box with various parts and a set of instructions. You'd assemble the pieces of the bookshelf by following those instructions to create the finished product. This process requires patience, attention to detail, and sometimes teamwork. In a metaphorical sense, this phrase is applied to situations where you're gathering non-physical pieces, like information or ideas. For instance, if you're solving a complex problem at work, you might need to assemble the pieces of information from different sources to find a solution. This use emphasizes the importance of overview, analysis, and synthesis in problem solving. To fully grasp, assemble the pieces, let's look at some examples. 1. Puzzle solving. It took us hours to assemble the pieces of the 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. 2. Furniture assembly. The manual shows how to assemble the pieces of the kitchen table. 3. Investigation. Detectives had to assemble the pieces of evidence to solve the mystery. 4. Project planning. We gathered all team members to assemble the pieces of our project plan. Listen for context to determine if it's being used literally or metaphorically. Practice using it in different contexts to become comfortable with both its literal and metaphorical uses. Remember that assembling pieces often involves a process or steps that need to be followed in sequence. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, assemble the pieces, confidently in both speaking and writing. It's a versatile phrase that can add depth to your English communication. Keep practicing, and you'll find assembling the pieces of the English language easier every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.